for your tickets, sir?
Rich?
I'll call you out as soon as it's ready.
Okay.